Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Britonny. So you guys, we're just going to jump right into this video looking at this property going for 28 million Jamaican dollars in Runaway Bay, St. Anne. This is a 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house that sits on a lot size of 3,275 square feet. Now I'm just hoping you guys are looking at this house the way I am looking at this house. This is such a lovely property. It does need a little renovation in some areas, like the bathroom. Some of the bathrooms need to be updated, some little TLC. But guess what, you guys, this is one of those homes where you can move in and take your time and renovate, and you don't need big renovations as well, not super costly. All right, you guys, so here's this living space. I like how the area is just quite spacious. The kitchen does need work. The kitchen is barely there. Let's just talk about that. Let's be honest, the kitchen is barely there. As you can see, not much counter space, not much cabinets or built-ins there. So the kitchen will need work. I guess that's where you'd spend most of like your renovation money, but still all the other rooms looking awesome. You do have this nice indoor laundry area, and you also have veranda areas for parking in a nice beautiful community. So you guys, if you're interested in this one, link in the description box down below. I'm gonna put all the contact info for the realtors in the description box down below in today's video. All right, guys. Now, guys, don't worry. I'm showing houses at different price points in different parishes all throughout the video. This next house is going for 16.5 million Jamaican dollars in Spanish Town, St. Catherine. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house that sits on a lot size of over 6,000 square feet. It's located in Merrifield Estate, again in the Spanish Town area, you guys. Look at this nice open airy living room. I do like this bedroom here. You're getting you have windows on both sides, so you have lots of fresh air coming in on both sides. As you can see, you have room to expand with this yard, and the land seems fairly flat and good and decent and nice. You do have this lovely front porch here for you guys, little entertainment, and you guys can sit out here. All right, so you guys, I'm showing different price points throughout the entire video. Okay, you can see your front porch is grilled. Again, that's the living room. Again, I love how they make sure like they put in adequate windows and large enough windows in this house. I appreciate that. I really appreciate that. All right, so if you're a small family, all right, or if you're a single person, this one would be a really good one for you. All the information will be in the description box down below. We're still in St. Catherine, but let's jump on over to Linstead, St. Catherine, which I do get asked about quite a lot for this house that's listed for 18.5 million Jamaican dollars. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house that sits on a really large lot of over 8,000 square feet. You guys, look at this kitchen. Come on, look at this bedroom. I've shown like 3 houses now in Linstead, and they've all been so well designed, well done homes. Like these Linstead houses, okay, I really like this one, you guys. If you're interested, again, all the info will be in the description box down below. The community is called Time and Patience. Community is so cute. I think that's really cute. And look at the house, you guys. You don't have any work to do. You don't have any work to do. The kitchen alone, stunning. And they have added, this extra storage space in like the restrooms. You guys, stunning. Stunning. Just imagine the house without this barrel and the owner's items. It's a really nice house, you guys. So you have area for your washing machine. You have area to have like a nice little porch and sit out and put some chairs and entertain yourself and look out for your veranda. This is a little backyard area, like the washing sink. You guys, come on, man. If you're interested in this one, you guys, I will leave the link in the description box so you can send a message to the realtor for this one. Again, Time and Patience District. So cute. You see, look at farming are going over there. So, hey, you guys always ask me about the farming lots. Let me know. Here it is. So, yes, Time and Patience District in Linstead, St. Catherine. Super stunning. All right, so who's next? Go, go, go. Okay, I'm too much. Let's jump over to Trelawny to look at this house going for 24 million Jamaican dollars. Florence Hall, Trelawny, Falmouth. It's a 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house that sits on a lot size of over 4,000 square feet. You know, it's in a lovely gated community. It's your standard gated community, 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom house. And I really hate to say standard, but they all do start looking the same. From Old Harbor to Trelawny to the ones in Spanish Town that they're making now. But you know what? I guess they're functional. They're efficient homes. But again, guys, it's your standard tub shower combo in the bathroom. You're gonna get those nice little closets with the bifold doors in the bedroom. You're gonna get the sliding PVC windows. There's not much I can say, but this is it. I think we've all at this point toured a house that looks like this or is very similar to this. So yes, you guys, you do have space to expand. All right, that's the backyard. As you can see, it's quite spacious around there. Space for expansion. Space for your line, for your back. Plant look at trees in the future, and there's your front porch area, driveway. All right, see the back. Room for expansion, man. So if you want to add another room, another bathroom, it definitely can be done. All right, so this house is in close proximity to Falmouth town. So, you'll be close to, all the areas with the schools and the jobs and everything that you will need. So if you're interested in that one, link will be in the description box down below. Now, this house is for my investors. Let's talk about the details. 22.5 million Jamaican dollars in Seaforth, Greater Portmore. It's a 5-bedroom, yes, 3-bathroom house that sits on a lot size of 2,994 square feet. Okay, the details of this house, why it would be a great investment, you guys. This house is split into 3 different sections. So on your lower level, you're going to have a 2-bedroom with 1 bathroom, living, dining, kitchen. Then on the next level, you're going to have a 1-bedroom, 1 bathroom. And then on the next level, you'd have the remaining bedrooms, bathroom, living room, and also I think a veranda and so on and so forth. Right. The house split up in many ways, all right, with different entry points so that you could rent out different sections of the house and collect some, income. Put that towards the mortgage, cut down the payments, all right? You understand what I'm saying? All right, so as you can see, guys, this house will need a little work, especially in the kitchen area. That kitchen definitely needs to be updated, all right? So you're going to have to put in some work, some elbow grease in this one, but for the potential of what it could be, for what it could earn you, all right, it's just for you to sit down and decide, is it worth it for you? And, do the maths and do all the calculations and everything. So, yeah, I like how the bedrooms are quite spacious. I think they're decently sized bedrooms. You're not seeing all of the bedroom right here, but if you see from another angle, you'll see that, they're decently sized bedrooms. All right, I love the windows. Nice and open. Love getting all that fresh air coming in, you guys. As I said, the bathrooms, they're a bit dated. So you have to do some renovation, especially if you want to rent these out. I really hate landlords who try to rent old places that clearly in need of some renovation. So you guys, you have to do some renovations in these ones here. Here's a little patio area. Nice, cool, chill vibe. All right, there's the outside area. Community is also in close proximity to the Caribbean Sea. So if you want a little quick beach run, a quick little beach trip, it's very possible in this location. All right, you guys, again, 22.5 million Jamaican dollars. And for all the other conversions of all the prices, it will all be in the links down below. All right, you guys, everything, I got you. Everything today, I had to put it in the description box below. Everything. Sorry. I'm so sorry. Couldn't do any better, but I had to put it in the description box down below for you guys. So if you're interested in any of these houses, sorry, look in the description box down below. All right, you guys. So that was the last video. Here, you know, that was the. Would it be me if I didn't have like some like blooper or arrow? So that's the last house or property in today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, comment down below. Tell me which property was your favorite in today's video. And you guys, I'm trying to upload another video tomorrow. So until then, bye guys.